absolute completion. That is the word that I use to compare these two. That is the key word. We're going to look today at the Wybot super awesome self-docking, solar charging, automatic cordless pool cleaner, and the awesome Aiper X1 Max Pro cleaner that cleans all the areas and surfaces of your pool. Now let me tell you a little bit about what they have in common, and then we're going to look at the differences, and then we're going to end this video with a graphic side-by-side bullet point comparison so you can see all the fine details to choose which one you might want for your pool. So watch to the end. Now what you're going to gain is complete clean without any high maintenance. Now so great. The things that they have in common, they both are sleek and aerodynamic, and they are new. They are new machines that have the latest technology. They have these great Caterpillar wheels here. This is the Wybot self-docking, self-charging solar powered machine. It has these Caterpillar wheels, and it has a grid system here that keeps the debris from just passing over and pushes it this very large debris inlet system, and these dual double brushes here in the back. Now the Aiper X1 Promax is bigger. It has Caterpillar tracks. It has dual motors in the front and the back, so it has a double extra set of rollers to really scrub well the bottom, the floor, the walls, the water lines, and this machine does the surface. Yes, the surface. That's its claim to fame. It cleans the surface very well. It has a very large inlet system for the debris, as well as this border filter that keeps the debris focused in the inlet system. This is a very large beast of a machine. It weighs about 40 pounds, and it has an optional caddy. Now, I highly recommend this optional caddy. Look at it. It is a full-size caddy, complete with the tray that the machine sits in, and when you pull it to the charging station, you just plug it right here in the back of this caddy. I really recommend this because it's pretty heavy, and if you are going to take it to and from the pool, 40-something pounds is a little bit of a challenge. Not for everyone, but for me it is, so I got this caddy to go with it, and it makes it so much easier. I don't have to remove it from the caddy. I just roll it to the wall and plug it in. That is sold separately, but I highly recommend it. Now, the things that they have in common, in addition to really super powerful clean, they also have very nice debris baskets. The Wybot basket lifts up vertically, which is very nice. It has this great basket with lots of filters all the way around, opens from the bottom to clean very easily. Simply hose it off. The Aiper X1 opens in the back here, lifts up, and you can see a very large debris basket. It's a good bit bigger. If you have a bigger pool, this might be a good option for you. Now you can see in here it has lots of leaves, and it catches the small debris as well. It opens here and here, and it has a roller here. That's a very nice basket designed for a bigger pool. The Aiper does come with extra filters, which is really nice. If you're cleaning one set, you can put it right back in the pool with the other set. It will continue to be available to you for cleaning. Now, the Wybot, it does self-charge on the solar docking, but if it's a cloudy stretch or you need to charge it in a hurry, it also comes with a DC wall charger, and the Aiper is wall charged, so you simply pull it to the wall and plug it out of the pool. Now, they're both really great, offering different modes. Let me tell you some of the key benefits. The Aiper X1 has smart navigation, and it is focused on cleaning efficiently, cleaning the walls, the surface, the water line, and the ledges and the stairs. Very awesome. It is a very strong, powerful machine. Now, as I said before, the Wybot self-charges, self-docks, which is very convenient, doesn't have to come out of the water, and it is also very efficient. They both can schedule cleanings, and they both can operate from the app perfectly. The apps are very strong in both of them, and they both have strong suction, and the filtration is really good in the baskets, as I've shown you, and they have long cleaning cycles. The Aiper does have to be charged manually, and the Wybot is self-charging. That's really cool. But this is very powerful as well. It has several different modes of cleaning, as you can see here. You can use an economy mode or turbo modes on both of them to maximize battery power, but they both work very well. And look for that graphic at the end. Some of the key takeaways are the Wybot is very good for daily cleaning, daily efficient cleaning, and the Aiper is very good for maximum deep cleaning. Depending on your needs, they're priced approximately the same in range, and I think you will find they're both really awesome. Both of these were provided for me to give my honest opinion, and I love them both. I highly recommend them.